This is ABRSM Grade 3 Theory Question 1.1 on the rhythm. You need to circle the correct time signature for each of the bars. So the first thing I'll do is have a quick look through the bar all the way through and see if there are any obvious places where you might want to put a beat divider. So if we have a look at A, there's kind of like a beat divider here right in the very middle. So I would start with that. And see where that leads us. So if that was the case, then if we look at the answer, we've got two possible compound times and we've got a possible simple time. I'm going to check out the compound times first of all. And if that was the case, we know that in compound time we're going to have a dotted crotchet, which means we've got three quavers which make up our dotted crotchet beat. So we've either got 6/8 there or we've got 9/8. So it's either going to be one of those or it could be 4/4. But I put my dividing line in the middle. So if I look at this first part of the bar, I know that I've got a crotchet which is going to be 2 quavers worth, and then I've got these 2 semiquavers which is the other quaver. So that kind of works for compound time. Let's look at the second part of the bar. You don't always have to start at the beginning. You can just jump to something if you see something clear. So I see a clear quaver there, and I see a clear quaver here. Now, if I add these two together, I'm going to get a quaver. Right, so that's 3 quavers and they match up. So that clearly tells you that the time is very likely to be compound time, and I'll let you work out what you think the final answer is. Okay, let's have a look at B. And B, we've got triplets here. Now we know how to work triplets. What we do is we get rid of one of them and then we add up what's left. So in this case, we've got a crotchet and we've got a crotchet. Now we've got possible beat divider there, but we'll come back to that. And now we've got a quaver and a dotted crotchet, which we know if we add those together are going to be 2 crotchets. So I've got 4 crotchet beats in the bar. Now the answers are 3/2, so 3 minims. Well, I've only got, if I were to do it minims, it's only 2 sets of minims. So that's no good. I'll just put my minims down there to show you. So it's definitely not that one. I've got 9/8. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quavers there. So that doesn't quite work either. And then I have got C with a line down it, cut common, which is going to mean 2 minims. Ah, yes, I think I've found my answer there. So we've worked that one through. The last one we have got. Let's figure out what we're going to do here. So I'm going to kind of divide it so that we can figure out what that bit in the middle is. Right, so we've got a triplet, so let's get rid of that, we get rid of that, and then we know that we add up what's left. So if you add up two demi-semiquavers, they add up into a semiquaver. Now I've got the 2 quavers at the end here. That's going to add up into a quaver. And let's have a look and see what we've got at the beginning. We've got a dotted quaver, so that's like a quaver. And then it's a dotted quaver would be a semiquaver. That's right. So now if we add up what we've got left there, we've got 1 quaver, 1 quaver, 1 quaver. So that should give you the answer as to what that is. 1 quaver, 1 quaver, 1 quaver.